Hi, I'm Andrea Jones. Vistage author Jim Canfield says that after increased growth and profitability, the thing that CEOs want the most is easier execution. The ability to confidently prioritize and reliably execute work is truly a competitive advantage in any organization. In this interactive Vistage presentation, we go through the top 3 pitfalls of prioritization and how to overcome those. How to quickly recognize and apply the most appropriate project management methodology for any kind of project. And we all know that if the end users in an organization are not able to fully adopt and utilize whatever the change is, then the ROI the company wants will not truly be recognized. And we go through what I call the 7 deadly sins of change management and how to avoid those. The key takeaways for Vistage leaders is they will be able to articulate their decision-making criteria for what the leadership team prioritizes and extend that all the way to the lowest levels of the organization for real-time decision-making. They will be able to understand a very straightforward 2x2 matrix that will help them apply the appropriate project management methodology. And they will learn to use a common change management methodology for success in their organization. I look forward to sharing this with your Vistage group.